Making predictions fun. Modal verbs for probability in everyday conversations. Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to delve into a very interesting topic. Modal verbs for probability. Our focus will be on how to use these versatile verbs in everyday conversations, making your English sound more natural and fluent. Let's dive in. Before we begin with our everyday conversations, let's quickly revisit what modal verbs for probability are. These are words that give us information about the likelihood of something happening. The most common modal verbs for expressing probability include might, may, could, must, and should. For instance, she might be at the gym. It's possible she's at the gym. They must be stuck in traffic. I'm almost sure they are stuck in traffic. In positive statements, modal verbs can help us express different degrees of certainty. Here are some examples. He should be home by now. You're quite sure he's home. My keys might be in the car. There's a possibility your keys are in the car. Just as in positive statements, we can use modal verbs to express probability in negative statements. Here's how. It can't be true. You're certain it's not true. She won't be at the party. You're sure she won't be at the party. When it comes to asking questions, modal verbs can make your inquiries more nuanced. For example, could he be the one who took my phone? Might they be going to the same concert? Now let's see how these can be implemented in everyday conversations. 1. My cat must be hungry. It's dinner time. 2. There might be some ice cream left in the fridge. 3. The match can't have finished already. It just started. Remember, the key to using these modal verbs effectively is practice. So, try to incorporate them in your daily conversations. That's all for today. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use modal verbs for probability in everyday conversations. Remember, English is a rich and versatile language, and using modal verbs for probability can add depth to your speech. Keep practicing and don't forget to have fun with it. Until next time.